Atticus Finch's defense efforts for Tom Robinson, a black man wrongfully accused of rape, ends in vain as the racially biased jury in Maycomb, Alabama, finds Tom guilty. Chapter 25 of Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird begins in September, with Scout, her brother Jem, and their friend Dill Harris attempting to cope with the injustice they witnessed during Tom's trial. Scout shares a report she overheard from Miss Maudie about Tom Robinson's death. After the verdict, Tom was sent to a prison farm 70 miles away from Maycomb. In an attempt to escape, he was shot 17 times and died. This event takes place off stage, and the news of Tom's death dominates the entire chapter. According to prison officers, Tom expended all his energy into one thrust, and they had no choice but to kill him. Meanwhile, in Maycomb, Bob Ewell, the father of the girl who falsely accused Tom, is pleased by the news of his death. Apparently, Ewell made a derogatory comment about the situation, expressing that it made one down and about two more to go, which alarms the town, as this comment seems to implicitly threaten Atticus Finch and Judge Taylor, who were involved in the trial. The African-American community greatly mourned Tom's death. They showed their gratitude for Atticus's efforts on Tom's behalf by leaving food at his house. Through food, they communicated deep recognition of kinship, humanity, and gratitude for Atticus's fight against the bigotry and racism that unfortunately still pervaded the town. The community's overwhelming respect for Atticus is a powerful contrast to the racism and prejudice expressed by many other white residents of Maycomb. During a chat with Jem, Scout tries to understand the reasons that led Tom to his fatal decision to run. She is baffled that Tom, who is represented as a shy, humble, and respectful character, would take such a desperate measure. Jem, who seems to be becoming wiser beyond his years due to recent experiences, suggests that Tom was tired of white men's chances and preferred to take his own. The chapter ends with a sense of foreboding as Scout recalls the threat that Bob Ewell made after the trial.